Welcome to this YouTube channel. Today we are going to look at array formulas in Google Sheets. The array formula is used to calculate a range of values. The array looks at a range of values, then the formula is the function that you use to calculate that. So let's look at the advantages of using the array formula. Number one, it saves time. Array formula can be used to perform calculations across multiple rows and columns simultaneously. So as I will be demonstrating in the next 3 examples, you will see that it saves time because you put one formula in one cell and it works for all the other values. Instead of putting a formula in each of the cells, we put one formula in one cell and it calculates for the entire data range. Consistency. Now, because you put one formula in one cell for all the range, you ensure that it is consistent. There's always a risk that a mistake in one of the formulas, if you're putting a formula per cell, there's a risk that one of the cells may not have the right formula and the consistency issue will come across. So automatically, that one again, because the range is dynamic, you can provide for a dynamic range that when you add values, the formula automatically updates. More efficient use of memory. Array formula uses less memory than multiple formulas. If you want to save your memory, then the array formula is what to use, especially on data. Then simplifies complex calculations. Now that we have seen the advantages of the array formula, let's jump in and see how we use the array formula. To demonstrate the use of the array formula, I have 3 examples here that I'm going to use. So without using the array formula, what would I have done? If I'm interested in calculating the amount here, all I would have done was saying the unit cost times quantity and press enter. Then I would copy this all the way down, Control E. This is what I would have done. Now, I have to input formula in each of the cells. This doesn't save time, doesn't save memory. So to do it using the array formula, what you have to do is to pick the unit cost that then say times the unit quantity. So what it will do, to go one by one, 1000 times this times this, and as it goes across, it populates these cells here. When I press enter, nothing happens when I populates this, but however, the magic happens when I surround this with array formula, like so. Press enter, you're gonna see that all the cells are now populated. So you can say array formula, surround it all around, and then everything is populated. Now when I go to this cell down and I try to press my delete, you can see it just blinks and the figure comes back. That is because the array formula is in the cell. I want to delete it, I have to go to the first cell and press delete. Now the other shortcut I want to show you, if you say this times this range, and you want to encircle this with the array formula, highlight that, press Ctrl Shift Enter, then automatically it will be encircled with the array formula. Press enter, and there you go. So that's the first example. Now example number 2, we can use the if function in the array formula, and the way it works, we are going to we have a data set here, and our objective is determine whether someone has more than or equal to 6,000, and if so, then they qualify for a bonus, and if they are less than 6,000, they do not qualify for a bonus. So I can say if the values in this range, I pick all of them, are greater than or equal to each of these values. If it is greater than or equal to 6,000, if that one is true, return bonus, means the person qualifies for a bonus. And if not true, just say no bonus. Like so, close your brackets. Now, because I want it to work, if I press enter to do only for one, but I want it to work for the entire range, Control Shift enter, surround with array formula, then you can see that the whole data set gets populated like so. From here, you can know who takes a bonus, who doesn't have a bonus based on that. So how you can use the array formula. Very efficient. You need to only insert one formula in one cell and it does for everything. Let's look for another example. I have an example here of the sales for the different products, shorts, shirts, and trousers. And my objective is to find the total of the shorts, total of the shirts, and the total for the trouser. The formula I can think of is the sum if function, which takes the range. Now I'm using the array formula. I'm going to choose everything. Then the criteria is this. The sum range is this. See how simple it is. Close brackets. Use Control Shift enter. Surrounds everything. Press enter. You can see that it gets the total of each. I just put only one formula and everything is automatically done. Same applies here. This total is the same as this. It confirms that our answer is right. So this is how you can use the array formula. I've given you 5 advantages. It saves times, it saves memory, and it simplifies the work. Thank you for watching. I hope this has been helpful. Please subscribe if you have not. Like the video, give me your comments, and see you in the next video.